It's the beginner locksmith, and this is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course. Introduction to TOY38R Keyway, Lesson number 5, All Keys Lost Part 1, Lishi and other bypass methods. Let's get to it. There are two bypass methods I recommend for the TOY38R Keyway. We're going to go with the first one is regular keys. The second one is Lishi. This is a really weak lock, and if you have these for a lockout, it's pretty easy to get in. There you go. Hold on. There we go. There we go. You notice most of these regular keys work on it. There we go. Well, as you can see, most of these worked, so that's bypass method number 1. And now the second bypass method is Lishi, of course. The TOY38R Lishi. Right, that was a click right there. Use the lightest tension you can. You can just check each individually, slowly but surely. You don't really hear the clicks, you just kind of feel them. There was a click right there. Another click. And there we go. Easy peasy. There was a click, the final click on 2. So, I just want to go through it one more time. Click. Click. Finally. TOY38R Keyway is probably the easiest to Lishi, or one of the easiest. Now, how did you decode lock? Okay. Start with 1. You notice nothing happens. It goes all the way down to 1. I'm gonna put him on Key Tool Max Pro. I start with 1, then go to 2, and stops at 2 as far as it goes. Now go to 3. Four is 3 as well. Five is 3. 6 is 1. 7 is 1. 8 is also 1. Okay. So these are my cuts right here. That seems like a valid key code, if I recall. Now we're going to cut the key. Now I'm trying out the new key. Nice. So this is one method you do in all keys off situation. This is probably my go-to, the Lishi, for these vehicles. Anyway, thanks for watching.